So guys, have you ever wanted iOS 12 launcher on any Android smartphone? So stay tuned because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS 12 launcher on any Android smartphone without root. So this is Umar from Tech and let's get right into the video. So guys, as you can see, there are so many launchers on Play Store. Most of them are free, but the problem with these launchers are they are going to show so many ads and they are also going to make your smartphone very slow. So after trying this launcher on my other smartphone, on the S8 and also on the Redmi Note 5, so the two launchers which I think are better as compared to most of these are this one, the first one being the launcher iOS 12. I will put the link in the description so it's going to be easy for you to download, and the second one is this FoolX Launcher. So first we are going to try this one, the launcher iOS 12. So after installing it, you need to click on it to open it, and now it's going to allow for some permissions. You just need to click on allow and allow. So it's going to only show ads when you are going to go in settings and when you are going to be installing it. Other than that, it's not going to show any ads, which is nice because some launchers are going to show ads as soon as you are going to touch something. So now it's going to ask as a default launcher, so you need to click on iOS 12. So as you can see, here's the main launcher, here's the theme. And unlike some other launchers, it is not the launcher is not 100% like iOS 12. It does have some its own touches. So for example, it doesn't have that swipe from down to get that notification bar. Instead, you are going to have your regular notification bar. Some launchers are having that, but this one doesn't have. And other than that, all the icons and everything are like the iPhone X. You can customize it to have your own wallpaper, and you can also move apps. Other than that, there is no customization whatsoever. So guys, now we are going to move to the other launcher. The other launcher I was talking about is this one, the FoolX Launcher. It is mostly known as iLauncher. So as you can see, it has 10 million downloads on Play Store with a 4.2 star of rating. The other one had 4.8 if I'm right. Yes, it had 4.8. It only has 1 million downloads, but this one has 10 million downloads, and comments and everything about this launcher are nice. Most of them people like this launcher. So I'm going to click open. So it's going to show ads when you are installing the launcher and when you click on some settings and everything. Other than that, it shows more ads as compared to the first one, but it's not like some other launchers which are showing ads every time you touch something. As you can see, the launcher is very nice. It has all of the icons and everything. It also has iPhone X wallpaper if you want to try those. And if you are going to swipe from down, it's going to show the bar just like the settings and everything like iPhone X. You can adjust the brightness and volume. And the good thing about this launcher is everything works as compared to some other launchers which most of these things are not working. It's just to show that it's an iPhone X launcher. You also get search bar if you swipe from up. It's a bit difficult because you need to hold this. Hopefully the developer is going to solve this problem. It's going to be different in some smartphones. Yes, now it's okay. So hopefully the developer is going to solve this problem, but it's different on S8. This problem, there isn't any problem like this one. But other than that, it's a very solid launcher. It's bug free. So far I haven't had any problems with this launcher. I've been using it. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel, and thanks for watching.